Today we're going to build auto feed feeder for the pigeons. Materials you will need is a 1 gallon bucket, a 32 ounce container. We'll need 4 pieces of wood, approximately 2 inches for each piece. I'm going to cut it up. You want to end up with 4 pieces of wood, about 2 inches length. Next thing, you're gonna cut off the bottom of your lid, not the side where you have the lid, the bottom. Cut it off. So you're cut that bottom. Next thing you want to do is cut the bottom of the bucket 3 inches tall. See, I marked the line here. You want to sand down the edges over here. Next thing you want to do is you want to screw these on, 4 of these on 4 sides of the can. You want to screw them on so they're sticking out 1/2 inch the bottom of the can. This part could be tricky, but you should end up with something like this. Now you have to screw this in from the bottom of the bucket with 4 screws into each of these pieces of wood. You want to center it. Try your best to center it. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. You want to make sure you pick 2 containers, the bucket and the container, to leave enough space here for the pigeon's head, which is like going to be, I leave about 1.5 inches space over here. And if you're using it for chickens, you want to make it use a bigger bucket, maybe something like I made before, something like this with a wider throat over here. And then put something like this. If you want to fit more feed in the container than here, you want to find a taller container. But this is enough for me. I'm using these for my breeders, because as you guys should know, breeders should have feed all the time. If you need supplies like a bucket, I'll have some links in the description. Check them out. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.